Guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you can now walk in. Look at me there. Make sure you put on your jacket or your suit, alright? After that, the next thing is just to open your jacket as if you want to pick something. Then you can start looking around as if something jump out of your jacket when you open it. Then you are looking at the something making a move. You do here imaginary, alright? After some few seconds or few minutes, do as if you catch something, alright? Make sure your second phone is in your pocket because that is what you are using here. Bring it out and do as if you grab it. Then you can now showcase it. After that, the next thing here is you can now work out, alright? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery as we create this amazing video together. At this point, click on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. You want to click it as we silence the volume, alright? Locate where you want the video to start from. From this point now, you are going to be clicking on the video to make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. And make sure that your phone is ready that you want to use for this video. Click on overlay now. Click on overlay, add overlay. Click on photos. Look at my own phone I recorded on green screen. You import it to workspace. Click it and go and look for transform. We want to crop it a bit. Locate transform. Click on transform now. Click on crop. Resize, click on resize. Then you resize it to the size you want. Look at what I am doing. I am resizing mine. After resizing, you mark on this good. Then you are going to be going back. Then you click it again. Click on the green screen phone. Go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Chroma key. Drag it to this green point here. After then, you are going to be marking on this good now. Then you are going to be going back. But you are clicking it again to locate adjust. Look for adjust, guys. Look for adjust. Click on this adjust now. You locate HSL. Look at it here. Click it. Mark on this green and reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on this good, then you go back, alright? So at this point, you are going to click it to drag it to cover the video. Before we come back now, then we start the major work. Then click it to drag it back small. So at this point where you open your jacket or your suit, you want to crumple this phone. As you open your jacket, you are going to crumple the phone to position it at the point of your hand. Look at what I am doing. Position it at the point of that your hand there. After crumpling it now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to add keyframe. We want to add keyframe, then we adjust the video a bit. Then as we adjust the video, you want to reveal the phone again. Look at what I just did. I had to drag the green screen front, but review this phone now. After revealing the phone, you want to drag it up with this same key. Drag it up to the point of your head where your face. All right, that place where you are looking at is where you are going to drag the phone. Then after dragging it to that your face now, the next thing is to start moving the video. As you are moving the video, you are adjusting it to the point where you face. All right, where your face is where you are going to be dragging this phone to. Do it like that. All right, don't bother about the key again. As you are moving the video and dragging the phone, the key will be adding automatically. Wherever your face faces, that is where you are going to drag this phone to. Watch what I am doing so that doing your own, you will do your own will be very smooth. As you are turning your face, you are moving your head, you are adjusting the phone to the point where your face faces. Look at what I am doing. So you do it like that to a point. I will be telling you the next thing we are going to be doing, but finish doing this one first. All right, you are moving your head while you are adjusting the phone to the point where your head is. Let's keep doing it to a point where you catch the phone. At a point now, we are going to be caching this phone. But look at how I'm doing my own. I'm doing my own gradually so that it will play smoothly, all right? So you keep adjusting your own to the place where you are caching the phone. Look at, we are almost there. Still adjust the phone, adjust the video, adjust the phone. Then coming back now to the look at this place where you want to cache the phone. So this place, move this phone to the point of your hands. So move this phone there now at the point of your hand. You make a split at this last key, make a split, delete this last part, all right? So click on the video and make a split again. Go and locate where you brought your phone out. Immediately you showcase this your phone, you are going to be making a split here again. Make another split here, make another split, delete this middle part. So at this point now, play it, let's see what it look like. Good. So at this point, let us mark out the unwanted part. Go and remove the unwanted part of the video, all right? As you do a thumbs up before you go out, you click it here now, click here, make a split, delete this last part. We don't need it again. At this point, we play this video from the beginning, but as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. What will be remaining now is to add your sound effect, your other effect. After that, you export your video to your gallery. If you don't know how to add those necessary sounds and other effects, DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your effects and other things. Then after that, the next thing now is to export this video to your gallery. Then you share it to your social media handles, all right? So what will be remaining here now is to export this video to our gallery. So the next thing now is to click on export. So click on export now, then you allow it to export completely. As you can see that the video is still exporting. Exercise patient. Now this video have been stored in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, all right? But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effect or capcut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Then you go and locate your notification bell. Make sure you click your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.